Hi everyone, my name is Miss Samantha and I work at the headquarters library in the Youth Services Department. Today I'm going to show you how to make a corner bookmark. This is a really simple and cute craft that you can do with minimal supplies. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's get our supplies together. The main thing you're going to need is paper. This is a piece of colored printer paper. You can also use construction paper, cardstock, scrapbook paper, or even notebook paper, whatever kind of paper you've got around. You might also need a pencil, some scissors, a ruler, markers, and tape or glue. Most paper is rectangular, but we need a square. So you can either use a pencil with a ruler, or you can do this. Take one corner and fold it diagonally until it reaches the other side of your paper. Make sure you get a nice straight line. And now we're going to cut this part off. You should end up with something like this. A perfect square. Now my square is 8.5 by 8.5, and you can do this at any size you want, but keep in mind that your finished product will be half the size of your starting square. So now we're going to fold this diagonally again, and we're going to have the longest part at the bottom. Then we're going to take our two sides and fold them to the top. Take your time and get it as close as you can, and then make sure to press your line so that you get a nice clean fold. You should end up with a smaller square with two flaps on top. Now we're going to open that back up, and here at the top you'll have two pieces of paper. You're going to take the top piece and fold it down. And then we're going to take our two sides and fold it over and then tuck it behind. Make sure you do it snug. And then we'll crease that. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Make sure that you tuck that all the way down in there so that it will stay. It should create a pocket like that, which will stay without the use of glue or tape. You can also fold this side down by folding over and then tucking it in to make a triangle. Now you can leave your bookmarks like this or this, and that's fine, but if you want, you can decorate it. Let me show you some of the ones that I did. On these three, I used different colors of paper and markers to create this Batman, Captain America shield, and a delicious looking piece of watermelon. On these two, I cut the edges off to shape it like a heart and used markers to draw on them. Now this one, I didn't really decorate it at all because I made this one with scrapbook paper. I think this one turned out pretty cool. But my favorite one is this one. I used paper and markers to make this cute little fox. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did making these super cute bookmarks. Everyone stay safe until next time. Bye.